Very good morning, everybody. Yes, it is 10:15 and we're here in Anfield Street this morning. Rosie's car's got a bit of a bang on the suspension and it's making a noise. And so we've got to drop it off at the garage, which is a mate of ours, so he'll do it nice and quick and easy, hopefully. So yeah, nice chimney stack there, I never noticed before, just up that way. Nice. And a lovely view of the Law Hill as well. Right, I've moved down to the Cowgate now, dropping Rosie off for her. She's going to go and pick her specs up. They're getting repaired. I was going to do a video down here, but they've got music blasting away there, so I'll just have to wait to do that. And it is now 10:25, so that means Popmaster is about to come on. So quite a good timing now. I'll get the first round of Popmaster while Rosie picks up her specs. Got people around me. Rigatoni, you ain't phony. Oh no, you're the real thing. And in 12 minutes time you will be mine. Oh rigatoni, you ain't phony. Oh no, you're the real thing. And in 12 minutes time you will be mine. Oh rigatoni, you ain't phony. Oh no, you're the real thing. And in 12 minutes time you will be mine. Oh rigatoni, you ain't phony. Oh no, you're the real thing. And in 12 minutes time you will be mine. Rigatoni, you ain't phony. You are the real thing. Indeed, to me, rigatoni is the quintessential pasta. Look at that. It's the perfect size and shape for a nice big juicy mouthful of sauce. And now the word rigatoni comes from the Latin for ridge, and as you can see there it is. The ridge holds the sauce when it's wet and moist and all, you know, sort of ready to eat al dente to the teeth. It just holds the sauce in there a lot better, so the sauce doesn't drip off when you're eating it. So there it is, folks. Rigatoni, the best pasta. Is it perhaps the best pasta in the world? I don't know, but to me it is. Rigatoni, you ain't phony.